Hello dear students, so we are still continuing with the previous work or the previous class that we have done, but this time we are going to learn how to write the numerals according to Indian or international system. Last week we learned how to write in words, but this week we are going to learn how to write the numerals. Okay, but before we learn, let's say the place value in the Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now there's another short way. Let's see if you know. What are these three known as? Ones, tens and hundreds? Units. These two, thousands. These two, lakh, these two, crore. So remember dear children, in the Indian system it has been divided, digits have been divided into 3, 2, 2 and 2. Now let's try the international system. Ready? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, yes, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So in the international system, the numbers or the digits have been divided into 3. The first 3 are known as units, the second 3 thousands, and the third million. Though there are some other numbers, we are only going to learn up to million. So dear children, remember, if it is in crore, lakh, you must remember 3, 2, 2, 2. If it's in million, you must remember the digits should be 3, 3, 3. Okay, you got that? Okay, let's begin our today's class. So here it says 65 million. Now which system? Indian or international? Million means international system. We can do this by putting the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, it's the million and 10 million. And we can do this without even putting the place values. So let's do this. So remember that a number comes below these place values. 65 million. So let's go to where the million is. Write 65 and then put a comma. Now what does the other one say? Go place value by place value. First only million. Don't try to read the whole number at the same time. Okay? Place value by place value. 65 million. Write 65 million, comma. 102,000. How should I write 102? 102. Yes. 102,000. Now let's read the last one, the last place value. 435. How should I write? First thing, 435. In 100 there should be only 3 digits. 435. So 435. Those of you who want to write the place value, you can write. For those who don't want to write, you can do it straight away. But you need to go place value by place value. So let's take this first. 65 million. Just write 65 million, comma. Okay. Now we move on to the next place value. 102,000. 102,000. Put a comma because we are moving on to the next place value. It says 435. 435. Now let's check. For these 3 units, these 3 place value, 1,000. These 2, million. 65 million. Very good. 102,435. Wasn't that easy? So if you go by place value, you will understand very clearly. Let's try another one. Let's not put the place value down. It says 86 crore. As you read the word crore, it's in, yes, Indian system. Remember, Indian system is divided into 3, 2, 2, 2. Over here it was international, so 3, 3, 2 or 3. Or it can be 1 also. Okay? So now 86 crore. This will give away, this word crore or lakh will give away that it is in the Indian system. So let's only write the numbers and put a comma in at the right places. Ready? 86 crore. 86 crore. That's all. We have finished this. 24 lakh. How much? 24 lakh. 24 lakh, comma. 23,000. 23,000. Okay? And it says 15. Some of us make the mistake of writing only 2 digits. 1, 5. No. How many digits should be there at the beginning? In the units, 3. So if I write 15 like this, it will be wrong. If I write 15 like this, 150, it will be wrong. Remember, this 15 has to be at the end. Which place value is not there? 100. So what should we put? Very good. 0. So 1, 5. Okay? 86 crore, 86 crore. 24 lakh, 24 lakh, 23,000, 23,000, and 15. There is no 100, so you write 0, 1, 5. Okay, dear children? So let's try the next one. 96 lakh. As you read this word lakh, it means it is in the very good Indian system. So let's keep writing without the place values. 96 lakh. 96 lakh. And comma to separate the numbers. 2,000. Now we must have how many digits here? 2 digits. Some of us make the mistake of writing only 2, which will be wrong. Remember, in the thousands place value, there should be ones and tens. 2 digits, not 1 digit. Did you get that? So how do you write 2,000? Very good. 0, 2. Again 4,000. Very good. 0, 4. 40,000. 4, 0. Very good. So let's come back. How do you write 2,000? 0, 2. Remember, if there's only 1 digit, your sum is wrong. In the thousands place value, there should be 2 digits. Now let's do the last one. 538. That's easy. 3 digits. 538. Did you get that? Let's check. 96 lakh. 96 lakh. 2,000. 2,000. 538. 538. So that way, if you check each time you do your sum and go back and check, you will never get your sums wrong. But we must understand that in some places, if there is no place value, we must put a 0. So let's try the fourth one. 3,145,000. Let's write 3 million, comma. Now we have moved on to 145. You must remember that 145 should come at the end. Which place value is not there? Thousands. And we know that it is in international system when we read this word million. 3 million. Okay? Which place value is not there? Yes, 1,000. In the thousands place value in the international system, how many digits should be there? Yes. How many? 3. So there is no 1,000. So how many zeros are we going to put? Very good. 0, 0, 0, 3. And what does it say? 145. 145. Some of us make a mistake of just writing 3145. That will be only 3145. Remember, if the place value digit hasn't been given, you have to add 3 zeros in the international system. If lakhs hasn't not been given in the Indian system, you have to put 2 zeros. Okay, dear children, I hope you have understood. But let's try and do 2 more, because the more we do, the more we seem to understand. Okay, let's have number 5. Now, while I write and while I say, try and think what numbers you are going to write. 800, 97 million. Okay, 5,000. 600. You can write 3 or you can write and 3. Both are same. Okay, let's try to this. 897 million. As you read the word million, it is in which system? Very good. International system. So let's write 897 million. 897 million. Only let's write this place then. 897 million. 5,000. How many digits should be there? Yes, 3. But still, we know that there should be 3 digits and we tend to write only 5. Remember, 5,000 written 005. Okay? Again. So 5,000. So how do we write 5,000 in that system? 005. Now it is 5,000. Then 603. How should we write 603? 603. 603. Okay, then we do one more, which is quite easy. So let's write 7 lakh. As you get the word lakh, it means it is in very good Indian system. 53,000 53,200. You can write and, or you don't have to write and. But let's write and in this and. 45. Are we ready? You can write the place value if you want. If you don't want to write the place value, you don't have to. It's just an option. For those of you who don't, like you could watch the first one which I put place value, you can read that way accordingly. Okay? So what does it say? 7 lakh. 7 lakh, comma. 53,000. 53,000. Then 245. 245. I know most of you have understood. For those who have not understood, go back, re-look at the video and try and understand. Because we have done this before. Okay, dear children? So, stay safe and be safe at home. And do all the work that is given by the teachers. And please enroll yourselves in Teachment. Bye.